Hello everyone, and I'm going to give details how to register Fit India certification program. First of all, you have to go to the Google Sheet and you have to type Fit India, and automatically it will come Fit India school registration. Click on that. It will upload. After that, you use first para the Fit India school registration. Click that one. It will automatically take to the Fit India page. In that, the top column will show login and register. Login and register. Before that, you have to click Fit India certification program. In that Fit India school, it will upload. After uploading, you have to go down. You see the apply for Fit India certification program. You have to click that one. Then after that, you see Fit India school certification registration. Fit India school. The following parameters would you apply: having one teacher trained physically and such teacher is physically fit and active, having playground where 2 or more outdoor games are played, having one facilitation period each day for every section physical activity, sports, dance, games, yogasana, PT take place in the facilitation period, having all the students spending 60 minutes or more physical activity daily. After that, there is two column Fit India 3-star. You have to apply Fit India 3-star school or Fit India 5-star. The details are given in 4 points. You have to read that one. After reading every line, once again you have to go upward and you have to click I have read and understood the concept of Fit India school certification. Kindness again to follow the guidelines on the India school certification. After that, you have to click apply for Fit India certification. It is already my school account is there. Now you have to click create an account. In that para, you see clearly it will ask ministry or others. You have to click others, and that you have to click schools. After that, you have to type your school name. I am typing my school name. PK Government Model Higher Secondary School. Then after that, you have to UDC number in class. You have to if you have UDC number, you can type. Otherwise, you have your school MS number. You type it. And after that, your school mail ID. Then your school mobile number, maybe yours or your principal. If it is yours, it is very useful. Then after that, click the state. If it is Tamil Nadu, we have to click Tamil Nadu. After that, district. This district. We have Dindikal. Now I am clicking Dindikal. Block, which block? Nakkam. Okay. City, village, Nakkam. Then typing. After that, you have to create the password and you have to confirm the password. After that, you have to type this captcha. Then you have to sign up. Sign up. After creating the email ID and password, you have to edit your school profile, school name, number of students, name of the headmaster or principal, and the mobile number of the principal or your physical educator or physical education teacher. Then board affiliation, that is MS number, your school MS number. Choose the board. Tamil Nadu. There are so many columns will be there. You have to click the Tamil Nadu Board of Secondary Education. After that, there is no need of choosing the chain. After the address of your school, Denmark. If you are having Google Map, you have to give the Google Map link in the state and choose district and choose black, which black belongs to. Then city and pin code. After that, you have to type the captcha, which is appearing. In my column is appearing 47W3U9, and after that you have to submit. So I'm already having the account, so that's why it's appearing like this. My profile successfully updated, and after that you have to go to Fit India School column. Sorry, in the certification. For completing all the details, you have to click the Fit India School certification. Click that one. It will appear this page. In that request for first, you have to click request for Fit India School flag. In that first column, having one teacher trained in physical education, and such teacher is physically fit and active. The number of teachers trained in physical education. If you are having 2 teachers or 4, if you are having 4, you have to 4. Give the names of all the teachers those are working in your school. Then after that, having a playground. Having number 2, having a playground where 2 or more outdoor games are played. If you are having a number of players, having 1, you have to give 1. And shape of the playground, rectangle or square or any other thing, you have to click on that one. And total square feet area of the length and breadth in feet, you have to calculate. After that, you have to total area in square feet, and in which longest area. If you are having a football ground of 300 feet long and 150 breadth, the longest part is 300 feet. That is, you have to write 3 feet. In my school, I am at 320 feet. After that, outdoor games. What are the outdoors? Minimum you have to give 2. Maximum how many game you have your school having facility to have the game. So in that way, I am giving athletics, cricket, cycling, football, gymnastics, kabaddi, and kho and volleyball. After that one, you move. Third point, having a physical activity each day for each section and physical activity. Sports, dance, games, so Vasana PT take place in physical education period. Yes, you have to click that one. Yes. After that, fourth point, have all students spending 60 minutes or more and physical activity daily. Yes, a daily physical activity by students with assembly 50 minutes, physical education period 45 minutes, before school hours, after school hours 10 minutes, and other free play 60 minutes I have given. You can give according to your school ability. After that, giving all the details, you have to click this one. Download Fit India School flag. And automatically the flag will be downloaded. Flag will be downloaded. Straight, this is a Fit India School flag. You can take print out or stitch it in this color. You can use it as Fit India. Whatever the program you are conducting in your school, you can use this flag. It was given by the sanctioned by the government of India. After downloading, save it that one. Then after that, prior to now this version, before they are giving, we can easily download the Fit India certificate, certification certificate easily. Now they are stopped. It will take to some more days. After that, you have to request for 3-star rating. In the first point, all teachers to be spending 60 minutes or more every day for physical activity. Number of teachers in your school, you give the number of teachers working in your school and spending 60 minutes physical activity. School encourage the teachers to participate in sports, fitness school in school. Attach the picture or circular in school. And third point, school motivate all teachers to do 60 minutes of physical activity every day. Example, poster, SMS, email, circular, attach relevant documents. After completing that column, The second one is school has at least 2 teachers, including one physical teacher, each trained are all well versed with 2 sports. Number of teachers working in your school and give the name and game they are desiring teaching that one. After completing that one, and post sports facility for sports including the 2 outdoor sports. Now in my school I have given athletics, cricket, cycling, football, kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, and indoor sports, gymnastics, carom and chess. Whatever the sports you are having in your school you can give. After completing that, in 4th point, every student learn any plays 2 sports. One would be one which could be a traditional or indigenous local game. You have to click that one. After completing that one, this column will appear. You have to doing all these things. There will be submit button. You have to submit that one, but here not appearing. After that you have to click submit button. It is automatically uploaded. It automatically uploaded. It automatically uploaded. After completing this procedure, then you can see this left corner, organize the event. You can organize the Fit India program in your school. See, organize the event. There in this column Fit India Freedom Run or Fit India Monthly Progress Run. You have to choose to upload the image or poster, date of the competition, an event name, organizer name, number of school students those are participating, kilometer, how many kilometers you are covering, and after clicking undertaking and registering this captcha, you have to submit, and you have to download the logo and guidelines. And I have already done in my school. I have completed 4 events under this category. Around 400 students are participated in this program. See, I have conducted in the month of February in the School India Week. See, you have to upload the program. See, this is the procedure to upload your all the events regarding the sports and games that are conducted under the Fit India movement. After completing everything, you can see your event, edit your profile, and log out. If you are getting log out, okay. This is the procedure to be followed while registering and doing. Thank you.